Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge PR mail unboxing. I have a ton of boxes here to open up with you guys, a lot of brand new makeup launches and some skincare as well. So if you guys want to see what I got in the mail recently, then just keep watching. To start off, there is a brand new line that just launched on Sephora.com on September 18th. This is Kaja. It is new and exclusive at Sephora. I'm going to open this box up and show you guys the cute packaging because it really is adorable. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, and their products are so cute. So they have a few different things that they launched. This first thing is called the Beauty Bento, and it's 3 different sparkly eyeshadows in here. I love the packaging of this. You basically can open up each one and there's a sparkly shadow underneath. So this first one looks like this. There's like a champagne shade, and then you flip it and there's like a rose gold shade, and then you can flip it again and there's like a maroon burgundy sparkly shade. I think this is so cute and I love sparkly glitter shadows. So this is in number 1 Rose Water. They also have another one. This is in number 2 Orange Blossom, and this is going to be for if you like more warm tone shades. I think this one's really pretty too, and I also think this is perfect for like throwing into your makeup train case. So this is the first one. It's like a shift of like a hint of orange creamsicle. And then you have this one, which is definitely more orange and gold. And then the last one is like more of a bronze. So these are really pretty. They go for $21 and they are on Sephora.com already. They also came out with these. These are the Cheeky Stain. They go for $24 and it kind of has like a stamp. So it's a heart stamp in here, and you press it into the product, which is underneath, and you can create little like stamps on your face of like hearts. You can of course blend it in so it's like a blush stain, or you could keep it as a heart on your face, but I thought these were really cute. They also have something called the Mochi Highlighter. So these look like this. It's called Mochi Glow. They have 4 different shades, and this is like a really pretty pressed highlighter in there. So some highlighters, and they also have something called the Cushy Vibe. It's $18, and these are liquid lipsticks. Really like the packaging on this as well. So these did launch on Sephora.com. I will link it down below for you guys, but it's a really, really cute brand. I'm especially excited for those Beauty Bento sparkly shadows. So I'll link that down below for you guys. Next, I got a package in the mail from IT Cosmetics. I got this cute bag. It says, "It's your most beautiful you," and it has these lips on it. And then I did get a brush. So this is a makeup brush, and it has little hearts in it. And for every brush sold, IT Cosmetics will donate 1 to the Look Good, Feel Better program to help women face the appearance-related side effects of cancer with confidence. So this is for a foundation. Together, we've donated over 37 million products to the Look Good, Feel Better program. So that's very nice that they're doing that. So for every one of these sold, they will donate. So it's a really pretty brush too. I really like it. The next thing I got, I received free for review from Herbivore and Octoly. I will link this down below for you guys. This is the After Sun Skin Soothing Aloe Mist. This is a jumbo jar of this. It is a glass container, and I really like the packaging of this. I feel like for an Instagram post, this would be super cute. Skin Soothing Aloe combines with cooling mint, therapeutic lavender, and witch hazel to bring natural relief to hot, sun-drenched skin. Store in refrigerator for extra cooling effect. So I thought this was really nice. It sounded really nice for like if you have a burn, a sunburn, or you just want like a cooling, refreshing mist on your skin. So I got this from Herbivore, and I will link it down below for you guys. I love the packaging of this. Next, I got a package in the mail from Winky Lux. Winky Lux also has really cute packaging. So they sent me 3 products. They sent me the Winky Lux Lip Velour. This is in the shade Heart. And all of their lipstick packaging has like little bullets, so it looks like a bullet. And then this is the shade. It looks really pretty. I don't wear reds at all, but it does look really pretty for someone I know. Then also there's 2 more products in here. There's the Uni Brow. So this is a brow pencil, universal. And then also in here, there's the So Extra Velvet Plush Mascara. So I'm excited to try this. I love trying out new mascaras. So that's what that one looks like. So thank you to Winky Lux for sending that over to me. Alright, I have a big package from Marc Anthony Haircare. So let's open this one up. This one says K-Bye, and there's a ton of different hair products in here. So it says K-Bye. Time to say bye-bye to frizz and silicones and hello to your new frizz fighting holy grail products. So this is a Bye Bye Frizz collection. We have a shampoo right here. I'm excited about this because my hair has been so frizzy lately. We have a conditioner. We have a Frizz spray, which is a leave-in conditioner. Definitely gonna try that. And a 8-in-1 serum. Ooh, I'm gonna try this for sure. I've been trying a lot of serums in my hair, and no matter what, my hair will frizz out as soon as I step outside. We have a blow-dry cream with keratin in it. And then we have a hairspray, Humidity Shield Hairspray. Blocks humidity to fight frizz and extra hold. So I'll be trying all these products out. I'm excited to because, like I said, I can't do anything with my hair. It usually goes up because that's how frizzy it gets. Okay, I did receive 2 products from Laneige and Octoly, free for review. I'm going to link these down below. The first one is the Laneige Special Care Eye Sleeping Mask. This is good for all skin types, and I'll show you what it looks like. So basically this is an eye sleeping mask you can use 2 to 3 times a week. You can also use it as an eye cream. So it has a little metal dropper. It's like a ceramic dropper right there that you can roll underneath your eyes for a cooling effect. And this is going to be good for puffiness and dark circles. It's also going to soothe the eye area. So I'm really excited to try this out. I've tried Laneige products in the past and I really like them, especially that water sleeping mask. So I got that one. I also got the Laneige BB Cushion. It's a Hydra Radiance illuminating like BB cream. So this is what this one looks like. And I got it in the shade number 23 Sand. This does have an SPF of 50 in it too. So this is like perfect for taking on vacation or the summertime. So this is what it looks like. And then you have a little cushion right here. And then the product is underneath. I have not tried this out yet. It smells really nice though. It kind of has like a fancy scent to it. I don't know, I like it. But I'm going to be trying this out and letting you guys know how I like this. I think this is going to be perfect for just like on the go days. Something very light and natural that you want, and you want that SPF too. Okay, next I got a package from the Balm. The Balm is always sweet with their packages too. So it says, unleash your inner rock goddess in style with our new alternative rock face palettes. So this is the packaging right here. They did send me 4, and they sent me 2 extras to give to one of you guys. So I'll do that in an upcoming giveaway. But the first one we have here is Alternative Rock Volume 2 Face Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. And then the palette looks really pretty. So you have some shadows in there, and then you have blush, bronzer, and highlights. So that one looks really nice. So this one is called Alternative Rock Volume 1. This is the outer packaging. And then this is what the inside looks like. It looks like a record. And these are the shades. These are more like rosy tones. I think I'm gonna like this one a little bit more, but like more rosy and mauve tones in this one. Really, really pretty. So thank you to the Balm for sending that over to me. So next I have a package from Drunk Elephant, and Drunk Elephant is my favorite skincare brand. So I was really excited to get this in the mail. So this is what the packaging looks like. They always have really fun, bright packaging. And this is one of their new holiday sets. So this one goes for $88, but it has a $138 value to it. And I'll show you what's inside. You do get a magnifying glass, which I think is really cute. And then you get like a little card game. That's adorable. And these are the products right here. So you get a full size of the C Firma Day Serum, which I actually don't use and I really haven't tried that much. So I'm going to be trying this one out. We also have the B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, the Eye Sherba, which I actually have a full size of that, Protini, which I have a full size of that one, and then the Umbra Tinted Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen. So a really cute set in here. I think this is a great value and definitely a great gift for Christmas time. So I'll probably include this in a holiday gift guide or something, but this is a great value. All right, next I got a package from Revlon. It says Plush It Real Good. And these are Lush Lips Revlon Cushion Lip Tints. This is in number 210 Pretty Kiss. This is the packaging on it. And then this is what the product looks like. So it's a little cushion and then you twist the top and the product comes out there. I did put this on the other day and it's very, very hydrating. Maybe we'll put a little bit more on right now. It's super hydrating and super smooth on the lips. So I'm excited to try these out a little bit more and see the other colors. I will link this down below for you guys. Next, I got something from Givenchy and Octoly. This was sent to me free for review. This is the Healthy Glow Powder, Long-Lasting Radiance, Totally Weightless. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is in number 3, Poudre Bon Mine. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And this is the outside, and then the product looks really pretty. So this is what it looks like, and this is supposed to be a completely weightless powder. It's more of a bronzer, but it also gives your skin a nice healthy glow, and it just looks very natural on the skin. I've watched a couple of videos using this powder, and it just looked so airbrushed and so nice and glowy. So I'm excited to try this out. I will link this down below, and I will let you know how I like this in an upcoming vlog. But it looks really pretty, and it's so fancy and so nice. Alright, the last package I have here is from Kaja. So this is an eyeshadow palette. And let me see what this is called. This is called Rose All Day. I posted a picture on my Twitter of this palette because it looks just like my style. So this is what the palette looks like right here. There's a lot of pinks in here. They have more of like the champagne, the gold, and just a lot of like mauvier, pinker tones. I really love this palette. I have not used it yet, but just looking at it, it looks really pretty and it looks like something that I would wear. So I can't wait to play with this. Kaja has really good quality eyeshadows. So I will link this down below if you guys are interested, but this one is called Rose All Day. Okay, and that was everything that I had to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link all the products down below that I shared, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!